energized, but now it's time for us to extend. Can you say extend? Extend. All right. See, while I was saying your neighbor, do you know your neighbor? I mean, I'm just saying, it's the word. I'm just asking now, like I said, we're trying to be childs of God. We're trying to be that beacon light. Do you actually know your neighbor? If you are talking about this ministry of being Christ-like, it's just getting to know who your neighbor is. Getting to know who stays below your apartment. Getting to know who stays right next door. Getting to know that person that might work at that store when you check it out. That's what I mean by extending yourself, like to knowing who God is. See, when you extend yourself, you create new partnerships. That's right. But by extending yourself, you break yourself away from your comfort zone. See, by extending yourself, you become what God wanted you to be. You see, because sometimes we get caught up in what we know is comfortable. But if you believe in God, see, God has already ordained your path. Wow. See, God already knows who you're going to run into before you do. Because like they say, before you were created, He already knew what your path was going to be, right? So you should be willing to break your chains, to break the chain that binds you and extend yourself for something new, something different. Because what I'm a witness to tell you, that if you go in places that you didn't think you could be, you can be in that boardroom, young people, with millionaires. You can be in that boardroom with people from different countries that speak different languages, and you can understand every single one of them, because I'm a witness to tell you. But you have to be willing to go beyond your comfort zone. You have to be willing to let go of the things that are holding you back. Because what I realize, like they say, what you sow on earth, you sow in heaven, right? So if you are in heaven, down on earth, you live in a very constructed, honest sort of life. In heaven, it might just be like that. So what I want you to do with young people is live a godly life here on earth, right? Learn to love each other here on earth. Because you love each other here on earth, it's going to be love in heaven. If you greet somebody here on earth with an open arm, they're going to greet you in heaven with an open arm. See, this is the pathway that the Lord laid for Christ Jesus for us. This is what He did. You know, it wasn't difficult. He said, love thy neighbor as thyself. It wasn't that. That's what He said. That's the word, right? He said, love thy neighbor as thyself. I mean, do you love yourself? Yes. I mean, you love yourself, like your neighbor.